Black
Jupiter na edwumanes. Jupiter na edwumanes. Jupiter na edwumanes. Jupiter na edwumanes. Na edwumanes. Jupiter edwumanes. Me pass ya man no.
Oh pass ya mami. This is Jupiter Life and Adom FM 106.3 FM. Big up Papa Bills, Black Eye up in the building. The lady with the camera phone. Everybody tune in and listen me tune. Well, they don't know me at the number one bone. So the girls and the boy them come up and then they play this. So Black Eye sing the chorus now then.
I have Jupiter in the studio. He's our guest right here on Fear Castle. Jupiter, let's do this one together and start here.
Don't tell my way.
Go.
Hey, Black Eye, we can tell you something now.
Young cop.
Coulda friend, coulda enemy, coulda heavy gunman, see I made them one shot. Coulda me, coulda you, coulda my fake friends, yes my fake friends. Coulda them, coulda myself, coulda family, coulda Mrs. Streams.
That's right.
Coulda Black Eye, I do my fam. Everybody sing, enemy say what? Don't come my way, yeah. And every obstacles, please don't come my way. Two of me fake friends, no time to play. Yes, I'm busy working and I make it one day. I do my fam, everybody say, don't come my way. Woo, 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 woo. No time to play.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't come my way. Woo, 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 woo. No time to play. If you want to, well, try. Even if you fall, sure you will rise again. Mr. Black Eye, in every situation, well, me not complain. Slowly, but sure. Yes, and your heart is so pure.
That's right.
So God in heaven bless you some more. I see them, hallelujah. Hey. So do what to others, what you want others to do unto you. Hey, let them talk about you. Everybody sing. Enemy say what? Don't come my way. Don't come my way. To all the fake friends, no time to play.
Come on.
Yes, I'm busy working and I make it one day. Don't come my way. No time to play. Yeah. Don't come my way. Our Papa Bills again. No time to play. Well then, so this Jupiter, alongside Black Eye, from I don't want to treat something. Dash everywhere, bash up everywhere. This I want a freestyle thing, so big up Papa Bills, Paddy Rhythm, and the man with the block up them. Black Eye Church, and everybody up in the building. Let me hear you sing, say, I do my FM. She say, I do my FM. 106.3.
I do my FM.
6.3.
I do my
FM. Say, I do my FM. Say, I do my FM. 106.3. 106.3. Our enemies. Don't come.
Action is live right here on 106.3 Jupiter.
Straight.
My brother, how you doing?
It's been a while.
Fantastic. That energy level no was so
up.
Hey.
I will show some banner inside.
I tell you. So we have a card here. So what have you been up to? For some time now, what have you been up to?
A whole lot of things actually. You know, we released Banga. We went out there to spread the good news.
That's right.
Outside Ghana, I was just coming back from London because of festivals.
Okay.
Lead, Notting Hill Carnival, Leeds. Much more. And I'm about to actually embark on my Europe tour to next week going. Now,
utu kwan eko outside perform no ha. Na crowd and reception. How they compare Ghana crowd reception now. Difference na who say. Is there any difference?
Of course there is, but there is no place like home.
Fantastic.
Now they know two ways. Ghanaian fans will definitely love you, especially if you're organic, if you're really from the soil. So they will definitely accept you. But out there they do accept you the same, but it's just quite different.
All right.
They will definitely jump to it. So that's the support. Not like sincere fans, Just say I gotta say amo ma ovima odi be nya oye na onye ne yi what I say but hard and say you have to go hard for you to build a hit. Imagine say Oboshua obi animu I say on one and over jam with your song, but for them even if they don't know your song crap they just push you with the support. But I love my mother Ghana. Definitely
you gotta love Mother Ghana, man. You gotta love Mother Ghana, man. No doubt about that. Man. Jupiter is our guest on Ophir Council right here on Adom 106.3. Catch the action live on Facebook. Share on Facebook. Just go to Adom 106.3 FM. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. That also also check action live. We have Jupiter in the building. Hey, yeah, watch here, Jesus. Black
Eye.
Oh, favorite designer, wine.
Zara. My boss Zara.
My boss Zara.
My boss dance.
O top near Zara.
Sharp.
And the Indian size Zara.
Yeah, Bobby Bia Zara.
Sorry, I'm here combination. Mami who attached. Me shall attach nechi. Fantastic. Unia o Bobby white shirt. Heavy one pa. Zara complete. And what gumi serious black try. Heavy one pa. BBI Zara.
Black Eye shows.
Designer part one. Anyway, live on our Adom 106.3. Minya.
Offer.
Yanshe. This year, what's up with Jupiter?
This year is going to be a different package altogether. Jupiter is known. Obviously, we fought our way up to this stage, and then we're fortunate for us, and then God being so good on our side, we are a household name now.
That's it.
And this time around, it's the rebirth, and then I'm coming with an agenda. As Jupiter, the musician. You know what I mean?
At the first time, you're a musician.
Of course I am, but just to justify my creativity and make people know how well I am, when it comes to the diverse ways, being versatile and all of that, you know what I mean? This time around, they're full force, trust me.
Full force. I'm on for Katrika, can I say, bro, from here, I don't feel Europe tour, and I said, bro, from here,
the guys I'm sure we go to London, they come from Katrina,
I tell you. But what was this particular experience? Who come out and said, no, this experience I will never forget that you love to share with us?
That was when not in Soto.
Okay.
Yeah, on the out there, sometimes some crap there was this event, huge event. I think it's a elite festival.
Right.
Millions of people. Honestly speaking, in like 600,000 people, they were there to witness these performances.
Right.
And it's so serious. Like all of a sudden, I walk and like it was really cool out there. People were still there. Just say, I'm movie. I'm prepare. I'm raincoat.
Can you imagine?
Ghana since Zoltan said 10. So National Theatre for Wimba. Like they were there.
That's it.
You know what I mean? When I got on the stage, everybody was Obiakra, Umbrella, Obisu, rainy coat, Sanya, and I was like, hey, wow, this is so unforgettable. You know what I mean? Honestly speaking, I really enjoyed myself and I embraced that moment. And so far, this is the moment that has actually stuck in my head. We are different from the rest, honestly speaking.
Definitely. So, originally, Jupiter, Odian Kasade say?
A friend, Michael Abijah, Mint.
Michael
Abijah O apostrophe Mint.
Oh, okay. Where are you? We are free.
Any Ashanti side, Achim Ashanti side.
Hey, and you're a hybrid.
The Caucasian.
Hybrid. So growing up, how was growing up for you? Or how was growing up like? For you, now you're that be and I say saying Usano na Abrabomu to say
because
okay, it's true.
I think I was getting the things that I need.
All right.
And I was they provided me with the things that I also want.
Okay. So the family support was there.
It was there.
All right.
And then I actually living with a nuclear family. I mean me papa me brothers. And
but my dad was saying like
five boys.
Oh, what also saying?
Me also mean son.
Okay.
No, me also four.
What also four? Okay.
And then the last born.
All right.
And growing up, it was a little bit strict. Me, mommy, and my papa, they are not that kind of people that obey anyone. We can just say, okay, oh yeah, there. Sometimes, met my autofista but I mean, to me, you're autofista what I say. Exactly. And me, when I was growing up, it wasn't like the ordinary.
That's it.
The school, me call this Anyamanu, you know what I mean? I wasn't exposed to people, I mean, to me, who call for this Anyamanu, you know, because I went to a Christian consciousness school.
Okay.
You know what I mean? When I was very, very young. You know, and I feel that I'm saying, me, papa, problem kakra. So I say me grandmother beba that's how come I get to know people, start to mingle with people in this Anyaman, you know what I mean? So it was all ups and downs, and that has actually built me up to be who exactly really definitely.
Me patro any Jupiter the energy train komono right here on Adom 106.3 Ofie Kwan so ena wasugua wutie na Jupiter what's it this year who release the album this year?
Yes, that this next year.
Next year.
But
so
this year didn't
Obi be say just for sugar reasons.
But sugar reasons. Alright. What I say, they are the papa banner Gofoneji. What I say, when it comes to music, Jupiter, when we say we always bring proper elements, proper sound, proper music for the people, you know what I mean? Our like Dede Kwa. I feel I mean, prior to the album release too as well. Yeah, man, people should just anticipate.
Definitely. If say share 10 musicians in Ghana. Musicians, pabni 10 in Ghana. Jupiter, can you say you are part of the 10 among the top 10 musicians in Ghana?
10 dozen.
10 dozen. It's in Kamema Kaplan and Cosis and 5.
Yenny 3.
Wow.
Yenny 3.
Talk to me about it.
I feel it's high time Ghanaians we really have to appreciate talent. And when some talent I can't obi now airplane wako baby. You know what I mean? Lot of artists in Ghana, they are doing so much outside Ghana. Most of the even media houses and I say fans of Ghana, they don't know about it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? When you watch Jupiter, how I came about, and I say how I actually got into this system, it wasn't like the ordinary. You know what I mean? I came as the only authentic dancehall artist. I'm here dancehall and you might to me blow Ghana and you know what I said.
This particular tune was which year?
2011.
20.
No, this one is 4 years ago.
4 years ago.
Yeah,
that was like
2014. 2014, yeah.
And you were not saying to me award, pal.
Of a Mommy award.
This particular tune. Now I said award.
This one was number 1 for 2 years.
Enemies, no?
Yeah.
From start to end.
Exactly. Over Ghana, you were heat and I were heat. You were and I were new. Go for Bebo Numbi. The week later now call off. How many years my boy enemies way? 4 years. I'm not too boastful. We call it a legendary song, evergreen. Into Obi said, officer and said me toss number 11 and I said number 1. Me na me jinem. And I said, "Mama, give me humba number 3." You know what I mean? And I be obi so and son me baba. What I say? So I'm not a musician. Be maybe 1 or 2 and a 5. And I said, "Yeah, maybe talent national." That's what I say. And I was able to prove to Ghanaians that hey, I pull up a big tune. You know what I mean? Evergreen song which can never get old. No matter how you hate it.
Enemies and to me win award no e boo abem in any way.
Me shock you.
Definitely.
I go say yashe mi okotokofana yashe. Mi okotokofana me ko shock otokobola yashe kotoko mbese kotoko win na me ko di fufu ofie na.
That's it.
Me say na me Ghana nyumtuni me kan wana. What I say because me kai say na
and I was there something that no was say we ya 1 year no ntino want me win award
na. And I can bribe say man say
I was so to a bribe now.
Me was a sana person on training
because I be una the bribe because the bribe
yeah and say on to for on Ghana na ebia na me I was able to pull a big song. The only thing I'm actually requesting I was waiting from the music industry and I say this board Amuriwadi artists is to them to acknowledge my effort as a Ghanaian musician. Enemies is big and has forever been big and has even won Miss so many fans out there. Me call Liberia, me call perform. They sing it word to word. Senegal, Sierra Leone, they sing it word to word. And me call in the name of what? Ghanaian. And I say me call lifting the flag of Ghana.
Of course.
So why is it that if people are able to appreciate a new man, me effort, Ghana has say, and they were able to, I was even rewarded outside Ghana.
Really?
With this same, of course, with this same song. London, I had an award in London.
Wow.
But Ghana,
with enemies.
Enemies, but they did not nominate this song.
Nomination crowd.
Of Amanya nomination.
Wow.
Into me me catch me say, hey, Jupiter. Maybe we Charles, sometimes before we reaches to some certain stage, you have to go through so many things. You know what I mean? Maybe this is one of the biggest challenges that I actually went through. And from now, it has strengthened me. It has even made me so strong that I care less whether I'm going to nominate me this time around. No releasing, I care. I don't care. Yeah, definitely.
Why do you see as a music award and you're credible? Is that what you are trying to say?
Well, credible in which angle? Because I feel every artist
you believe say and you monone was sanke to me. To me reaching nomination. I mean, to me, you think I don't know. It deserves. And I say, man, award. Do you think say credibility issues?
I feel say every country, and I say BBM sports. So only my dear crap, you have to be acknowledged and you have to be rewarded.
Definitely,
And I say, Abanu say yes, me tuning, and I'm out to me say, come on, but. I think say on the second hand, Niamu ma ya award that is and say I'm gonna try as much as possible to find means to change their criteria of nominating song. So I don't know what say the song is under year of review. Like to me it doesn't make sense honestly speaking. If song or more nominated a new beard and as a new hit, they have to nominate it no matter what. It shouldn't be released in 2000 because at the end of the problems but nobody hear me. And then the fans will be there say sometimes the fans will also kind of feel some way.
Definitely.
You know what I mean? So they really have to change their criteria.
Definitely. Now go back to first three now. Can say first train or can home. First train or one walk home here three.
Oh, but
we should move out there too for the two from Pana head musicians or more Ghana pa.
Some Pana audition man.
Besides some the shower no. It's your fancy be a Jupiter. And now two no can you one.
Who try one?
Me sure
fair back.
Me sure as a Jupiter. Me who Jupiter.
And they say Jupiter General Abidja.
Aqua Jinsu. Oh, but so try to consciously. Why you feel so bobby? I say, oh, beginning up and answer say
one. One. I can't say me forbidden us or even no. But me forbidden. I mean, black eye pie enter me for the
no, minimum question na me be sound.
Okay.
Because you limited the conversation to first three.
Yeah.
What you say? First three no who shemu bi. Na aka two sports.
But before me can say me explain the picture say and sana obi be qualify to be part of your top 10. The person is supposed to release a banger.
That's it.
Evergreen.
That's it.
Banger who is still consistent or baby. Of Amaka African Artist of the Year from London. Wizkid will be. Yemi Alade
Fantastic.
And I won the award. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I mean, those are the little things that I also feel say, no, I deserve to be recognized in my country and also be acknowledged.
That's
in the top 10 in the ABI and shot. Number 3.
Number
2, number 1. And number 3, only number 2.
But Ghana for Kasa, Jupiter. Ghana for Kasa to the extent some say first now you're popular power as a stone boy Ebabe Shebuna as a US in chain kind of how do you react to Sans and Semono?
When you check Jupiter I don't just release song anyhow, I try as much as possible. Ghanaians actually base their facts say when you're releasing new more all the time, But for anything I make a choice say, and you know better releasing the say 1,000, maybe I'm never fat. Me person release enemies 4 years later, I release another one. That shows say
fantastic.
You know what you are doing.
Powerful.
You know what I mean? Artist our friend and honestly speaking, he's doing so good for Mother Ghana. He's really pushing the name of Ghana to the top.
Yeah.
Well, I can understand them angle like from where they are coming from, you know what I mean? But I also have my strategy.
That's right.
I have my strategy. I mean, yeah, Juma. So Stone Boy, yeah, na to say I don't know what's wrong. This man, there are there to say visa. What I say, but me so me yeah me what I say. So I do also have my loyal fans who actually support me anytime, anywhere I go. So yeah, man.
True talk. Unim, let's do eternity.
Sharp.
Let's do eternity, man.
Sharp.
Let's do eternity. Let's do eternity. Let's do eternity. Live on Atom 106.3.
Oh yeah. And now you got me Eugene.
Wait, go feature Kwame Eugene or Waste One.
Latest name.
All right.
Care for me and I care for you, baby. Oh, you're not fair. Hold my hands and I hold you, lady. Oh, you be the one for me. Oh, and I'm for you. Oh, till eternity. You promise me you're not gonna leave me lonely.
Brand new.
I'll be there for you, baby. Don't worry.
Brand new.
And if I hurt you, baby, I'm sorry.
As well.
Baby, I love you too. You're my fan. I give you my heart.
I'll tell you.
I wanna love you for life. Oh.
Ow.
I give you anything you want to.
Ow.
Baby, I just wanna marry you.
That's right.
I give you my heart.
Ow.
I wanna love you for life. I give you anything you want to. Baby, I just wanna marry you.
Brand new.
I see that. Getting too fine, oh. Yeah, I'm more than enough, baby. When you're gonna make you my wife, oh.
That's right. Oh.
Girl, I go by your side, oh. Every night, oh. Hey, boys, munja mundende. I know the baby no but if you try shape it. Fine girl, minya will set it. Minya will set it. Girl, your body fine, oh. Girl, you too bad, oh. I see the one. 1, 2, let's go. Hey. Ansala libechi, hey. Ansala libechi. Oba we libechi, hey. Oba we libechi. Ansala libechi, Oba we libechi. I give you my heart.
That's right.
I wanna love you for life. I give you anything you want. Oh, baby, I just wanna marry you. You're my fan. I give you my heart. Baby, I wanna love you for life. I give you anything you want. Oh, baby, I just wanna marry you. Boom. Yes, I don't know, man.
So, where eternity? I don't know to need eternity.
Because it's basically speaking about love, and in the other hand too, I'm trying to say Jupiter is back for eternity. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it means two things.
And they say, well, you're singing so.
Oh, me singing actually.
Wow.
Yeah, I sing. Enemies is singing.
Let's say, oh no, you're versatile, pal.
Of course, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Said this rebirth of Jupiter, this new Jupiter is definitely a musician Jupiter. You know what I mean? I don't want to be categorized at one genre.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I want them to know how diverse I am, how versatile I am, and how I'm able to merge to other songs too as well.
And an artist or more Ghana, you want to so be out to Kwame Eugene.
Oh, almost said 2 years ago.
I didn't think I would choose one.
And son Kwame Eugene will rise to fame. Now he called me sometimes to make sure our artists be. Yes, I'm an artist and say, make sure how well we can do it. And then I went there and I told guy and he said, no, I can't. Oh yeah, so let's do a song together.
Okay.
You know what I mean? That was when and and so nice. Fortunately, and not even fortunately, God being so good, he has become one of the topmost stars. You know what I mean? And it's soon the tour, the Europe tour, Enemies Europe tour, so I feel we have to release a song which is relevant, something to boost the tour too more. Yeah.
And did you ever say high life music? And you may have Shanties name and you got what can be bizarre? What can be bizarre?
There was a pastor what bizarre I said, but now let me clear once and for all. Make I say, say you see indigenous, right? It's something that is organic. Let's say something that is natural, you know what I mean? And Wafa Mpacho, can you claim ownership of something that you don't own?
There be.
How can you tell us a car way Odia? And I say few way media. Is it not? No, you have to have to pay. Thank you very much. Yeah. And then we had, I think, how do you call it? A conversation with Mrs. Doreen Ando. And then in regards to high life music,
okay,
you know, and then I think say I came in me percent me your point be say your friend high life music no reading from Wikipedia. Me put Wikipedia about high life music. Reading from Wikipedia, you see high life is an Akan traditional music. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Mixed and as a display with foreign influence like foxtrot, calypso. Okay. So these things that I'm mentioning is foreign music.
Yeah.
So it doesn't make it original anymore. We can't claim full ownership of it. Okay. The only thing we can claim ownership of is Akan music. And now if you ask me of an indigenous proper Ghanaian music, Bobo, Adowa, Agbaja, Wulome. So when you sum all those things up, we have a proper indigenous Ghanaian music. But high life has been diluted with the foreign influence.
With foreign
influence, you know, so we can't claim. Some of them even say it's jazzy and all of that. And come on, even reading further on down on the Wikipedia, they were saying that in the 1920s, they go to the club. So time the colonization was going on. Amuko club, so Amuko Bonyuma, and then they will pick some influences from those foreign jazz players, Mr. Anyamanu, and then they will come and add it to the Akan traditional music. That's how come high life was actually, you know, brought up. So we still can't claim ownership because it has some foreign influence attached to it.
You know, it's a high life. One of which we claim ownership.
Me patch on meaning. Meaning because if anything has to be really indigenous, it's from the soil.
Okay.
From the soil. So this is natural.
All right.
You know, and you know one funny thing. Most people don't know this, and it's sometimes a problem for. Once we are youth, let's say we are only and let's say you are trying to make point and say, but baby, but and yes, and yes, sir. I didn't say high life music is not Ghanaian, but it's Ashanti music. Now, Ashanti Cameroon tribe.
And I say Ghana.
Come on, so that.
Of course.
But people try to fabricate and they make the headlines very interesting. But the content is quite. But so let me explain what you say. Yeah.
Of course, we have a point. Jupiter. Oshe. Oshe.
Like I said, we should. We. So we can't. We aren't come shoot. Marijuana.
Yeah.
Oh, me giant check.
And I said those days now shit.
Let me chance me. Okay.
So how many years in now, Jai?
Oh, of about 7 years. 7 years. In some crap way, I'm maybe I'm a child one kakrebi.
So I occasional drinker. It's where Jai wish.
Long time.
Now where Jai Mahamo? Long time. Where Jai Mahamo? Anyway, Jupiter, I really enjoyed your company, man.
Me too.
Sorry, so I irrigated sports. So, eternity. Yeah, they call him because they are started building. Yeah, they call Christmas. I don't know.
Wow, share you
they call Papi. As well.
Well, I do my from Bosho, my friend. Come on, Black Eye. With the Xmas confirmed banger.
I tell you.
Papa, this the audience is so. Hey.
Jupiter, final message I do be Ghana for new be in Ghana near Bruchina.
What tuning in, I just want to say thank you to everybody, especially multimedia, Black Eye.
Right.
You know, I really love you guys so much. Papa Bills, we don't him that. What I say? Adum FM will reign forever. Forget you be a number 106.3 FM. Share. Adum. Then, now, and forever. Forget it. So one love. Thanks so much for having me.
That's right. God bless you too. Brand new Jupiter featuring Kwame Eugene on this one. I see eternity. The show is live on Facebook. Atom 106.3 FM.
Hold my hands and I hold you.
Patch the irrigators posse, bro, in a jiffy.